Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to lift Toyota Sienna, full guide. Start by locating the factory jacking point under the rocker near the wheel, then position a hydraulic jack and raise the vehicle slowly until the tire clears the ground. Place a jack stand under the recommended pinch weld, lower the jack slightly onto the stand, and repeat for other corners while checking stability before removing the wheel. Next, collect the necessary tools and parts for a safe and effective lift. Measure desired lift height, verify parts fit your Sienna model, and inspect suspension components for wear. Assemble jack stands and a quality hydraulic jack and lay out hardware in an organized way. Keep a torque chart and service manual handy to ensure bolts meet factory specs and prevent uneven suspension or binding during reassembly. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear, hands-on vehicle tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum cleans up workshop dust and debris with voice control, so you spend less time sweeping and more time wrenching. Voice it to start and laugh at how tidy the floor looks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start lifting one corner at a time, breaking lug nuts first and jacking at the manufacturer jacking point. Support the vehicle securely on jack stands and remove the wheel to access suspension components. Install spacers, new shocks, or springs according to the kit instructions, torque all hardware to the specified values, and repeat for each corner. Finish with a full torque check, lower the vehicle, and perform an alignment and road test for proper handling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.